Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today I'm going to go over a finish. I tried a new company, Orala. Let me tell you about it. This is Miss Tiki by Orala. I like it. It came out very nice, sparkly, although on the camera it's not showing very sparkly. I won this painting in a change of seasons event with Wendy of Diamonds and Stuff, and I was so happy that I got an Orala painting. This one is currently available on their website for $5. Go check it out. It's a great starter painting. This took me 2 days to complete. And the drills were so nice. The only problem I had was with the darker one, the ends, number 823. Those were kind of dusty. I don't know why only those were dusty. But on the canvas, they don't look dusty. They look very nice. This canvas had 4 ABs. And you can see some in her dress. There's some in the drums. There's some in the leaves. And sparkled around her. It's very nice. So we're going to put her aside, and I'm going to show you what I enter into my logbook. So I have put the start and end date, and now I'm going to put spare drills in my Creations Moran tray. Again, this is my favorite tray. I love this tray. So for this canvas, I did use 2 trays. I used this one, and I used the standard gray one with the washi tape. But what I do now is I just go through and I add 2 drills of each color. I'm trying to think of another way to do this. I'm thinking about 2 or 3. I'm thinking about maybe taping the drills, spare drills, to the color grid that's in my logbook. But then again, if one pops off and I see the ones immediately next to it are green or yellow, then I know that's probably going to be the right one. So I don't think it's going to be a major problem. But I just wanted to put spare drills in the containers. So I just, like I said, I just take 2 or 3, whatever kind of falls out of my hand. And then I'm going to put these leftover drills in my Elizabeth Ward containers, because the color grid on this canvas, I don't know if you can see it, they do have the DMC number. So that will help. So I will go pull that DMC number color out, and if that container is not full, then I will add these drills. If it is full, I am not going to save them. I'm going to put them in a container for my niece, because she likes to collect the drills, and I just mix them up in a container. She doesn't keep them separated, so I just literally dump them. So this is the ones that were very dusty, and I know you really can't tell on the camera, but they were pretty dusty. So I was pretty picky on which ones I used for the canvas. But I had no issues with this canvas. It went along so smoothly. I obviously multi-placed where I could, but the canvas was so small, I would say I probably single placed 75% of the time. I definitely multi-placed in here, in the white around her. It was a fun canvas. It was different for my style. I don't really typically like to do people, but this one was a prize that I won, so why not? And it was a different one for me because I had not done an Orala before. I like their canvas. It's very soft on, it's like furry on the back and almost like a leather, fake leather feel on the top and the back. It's like a very furry kind of thing. Okay, I think I just messed myself up. Oh, here we go. So I liked the canvas. I liked working with the canvas. It was very nice. It was. So I don't know. I'm probably not going to frame it, but I'm probably going to put masking tape on the outside. What do you guys recommend I do? Should I put masking tape on the outside, or should I put it in a frame? I'm not really going to hang it up though. And these drills were not staticky. The only ones that were staticky was this color. And this one is an AB. And for me, it's pretty rare that an AB would have static. I don't know if you noticed that. ABs typically don't have static, but all these ABs did. That one had static as well. This one did not have static. This one was pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So now I'm going to write the word spare and put it on a baggie. And I'm going to take these okay, got it in there. Put them in there. And then I'm going to fold it. And I'm going to move that down. Spare. And it's going to go taped in my book. Okay, come on. So that's what I do. Like I said, I'm thinking about taking the spares and taping them right here for my future canvases. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think I should do? Tape spares on the side or keep them in there? I kind of like them in there though too. So I don't know. And on the other side, I will write notes. If I blinged anything up, I did not. I did it as charted because it's a new to me company and I wanted to see exactly how it turned out, and I did not bling anything up. So this is my trash drills. Not that many. Typical trash, holes, tails on them. So it was typical what you see for trash drills. There's nothing special really. And it wasn't that much. Very, very doable amount for trash. So again, I write the word trash, put it at the bottom of the bag because I'm going to fold it over. And then I'm going to tape it and put it at the top. So that'll go there. And like I said, I did not bling anything up. Completed it as charted. And I'm going to put the only number. All right, that needs another piece of tape. There we go. With dust is 823, which was the letter N for this canvas. Fun canvas. Would buy again. Well, would suggest a purchase. So that is what I wrote. So then I can take this, put it here, take my extra fabric sheets, put them there, because I really didn't need them for this kit. All right, I have said before that I don't really like the Michaels pens for squares, but for this kit, it was great. It was absolutely great. There was enough room between drills that when I put a drill down, this pen, this tip, did not move all the other drills. It kept them. It didn't bother the neighbor. It was fine. So I did use this one, and I also used the 3 multi-placer. I also used the Diamond Art Club pen, twist and pick pen, and I used that end for single placing, and I used the 4 for the diamond on the end of this one. And the other day I got my new anti-roll pen. Yep, it's flat on one side, guys. Can you see that? It doesn't roll because it's flat here and it's round here. And this pen is very light, very light. And this single place, it's very secure. It's not going anywhere. I haven't tried any other tips in the back yet, but I will. So I ordered this, and I ordered these. These are, you put them on your canvas and say, you got to go. Put that there, and your pen doesn't go anywhere. I use these as a cover minder. I pulled the plastic back, put them there so that I could do, well, actually it was more up here, so I could do other areas, and then if I had to go, I just set my pen there. This one, I just dropped, and it wouldn't go anywhere. Eventually, it would hit that side, and it would stop rolling. That is what I used. Now, I do have putty in the back of my multi-placer on this one Still good, still works good because it's deep in there. And it's colder here in Florida, so the putty works much better. When it's hotter, I can't use the putty here in Florida because it's very stringy. It's like a mozzarella cheese on a pizza. When you pull the pizza and the cheese just goes like that, that's what the putty does. So I typically use the wax all the way around when it's hot here in Florida, because I don't want a mozzarella cheese effect when I'm doing my canvas. That is what I did. This came from Dynamite Diamond Shop on Etsy. If you have not checked them out, check them out. Very reasonable for a pen. And this pen, it is just gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the pattern. I won a gift card, and guys, you just got to try it out. This pen is amazing. Very light. It doesn't look light, but it is light. I think these might be heavier than this, only because look at the magnets. They are huge, huge magnets. It actually holds the paper back, so they make for a good cover minder. So check out that small shop on Etsy. Tell them Pampered with Diamonds sent you. It won't get you any extra money off, but you could tell them anyway. So that is my review for Orala Miss Tiki. Go check out Orala as well. Beautiful canvas. Beautiful. You guys have a wonderful day.